Now, ionic equilibrium. The concept of ionic equilibria as equilibria involving ions in solutions. Arrhenius theory of electrolytes. Ostward's dilutions law for the weak electrolyte. K is equal to alpha square upon 1 minus alpha in bracket 1 upon B. Acid bases. Arrhenius H plus OH minus theory. Bronsted-Lowry protonic concept. Lewis concept, electronic concept of acid and bases. Some basic concept. pH scale. pH is equal to minus log H plus water. An amphiprotic solvent. Auto ionizations of water. Kw is equal to H plus OH minus. K2O is equal to Kw H2O. Change in pH of neutral H2O with temperature. Homogeneous ionic equilibria, heterogeneous equilibria. Now, acid base equilibrium. A strong acid H plus is equal to C upon 2 plus under root C square upon 4 plus Kw. pH due to the polyprotic weak acid. Weak monobasic acid H plus is equal to under root K dot C if alpha is smaller than 0.1. Mixture of a strong acid and weak acid. Mixture of two weak acid H plus is equal to under root K1 C1 plus K2 C2. Buffer solutions pH is equal to pK plus log salt upon acid. pOH is equal to pKb plus log salt upon base. Heterogeneous equilibria. Solubility of sparingly soluble salts Ab2 AXBY KSP is equal to SX plus Y XXYY. Effect of pH on the solubility. Simultaneous solubility. Applications of both heterogeneous and homogeneous equilibrium. Extent of the hydrolysis in buffer. A change in the solubility. Buffer solutions change in solubility due to complex formations, solubility and hydrolysis.